If you're a beginner and you want to get into figure drawing, then you've come to the right place. Because today I'm going to be breaking down a little bit of my process on how I draw figure drawing. So normally I would just start with a marker, creating the outlines of the figure drawing. But for this video, I'm going to try and simplify things with a graphite pencil first, so that later on we can go in with the markers. So first things first, let's do the fundamentals with the pencil. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is basically start with something basic, like for example a stick figure. A stick figure is the best way to go because it shows so first of all, one of the things beginner artists struggle with is basically creating the fundamentals with drawing, how to start, right? So if you start with with a stick figure, it shows you where your sketch is supposed to go. So the stick figure acts like more of a skeleton to the actual form of the human being you are drawing. So basically we're going to start with the stick figure, and then after the stick figure we're going to break down those certain parts into shapes, and then after that we're going to add details. So I'm going to try my best to kind of like show you guys that. But yeah, so after we've drawn the stick figure, now it's time to break these down into fundamental shapes like the legs, the torso and everything. It's all about following the flow of the figure you're drawing. Now that we have our fundamentals lined up, let's go in a little bit with the pencil and just try to go with the flow with maybe like details like the clothing and the shapes and stuff like that. Okay, now that we are satisfied with our pencil sketch, now we go in with the marker and add a little bit of final touches here and there, and then get this sketch going. And you can practice this a lot. Actually, starting with a stick figure is the best way to go because it shows you form, it shows you where, a lot of beginners want to be accurate. They want the sketches to be accurate, but creating by starting with a stick figure helps you understand the fundamentals a little bit more. Yeah, so the more you do this, the more you find that you're just gonna get better and better and better. Because a couple months ago I couldn't do this. A couple months ago I couldn't. Yeah, it's all about practice and learning to. That's the thing about figure drawing too. It's not about accuracy. Just go with the flow. Don't worry too much about accuracy and stuff like that. Just go with the flow and the motion of the sketch, and yeah, you'll be on your way.